Hello babies, welcome to another beautiful day of class. We have to give thanks to God because He is so amazing to us. He provided us another beautiful day of life. So we are going to start with our math class today. Today is Friday, July 21st, 2020, and yesterday we were working with some practical exercises of the table of 4. Yesterday we were working with this table, and you are already supposed to finish with this page. So after you finish with the table of 4, what you're going to do is that we are going to complete another exercises to continue practicing. So let's practice. It is time to practice. Okay, here I have some exercises for you. You're going to copy the exercise. This exercise, give me a second. Okay, so what we are going to do here is that, for example, 4 times 8, what you have to do is that you're going to count 8 groups of 4. 8 groups of 4. So we're going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is one group. 5, 6, 7, 8. The second group. 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 3 groups. 14, 15, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 16 is the 4 group. 17, 18, 19, and 20 is the group number 5. 21, 22, 23, and 24 is the group number 6. 25, 26, 27, 28 is the group number 7. 29, 30, 31, and 32 is the group number 8. So the answer is 32. So we have 32 in 4 times 8. And you're going to do the same with the rest of the numbers. Please practice. It's for you to practice with the table of number 4, and at the end check your answers. Copy them in your notebook. First, write a day. First, write today's date. Today is Friday, July 21st, 2020. And then you can start writing. That was everything for today. Please keep safe at home, and I hope to see you on Sunday. I send you a lot of hugs and kisses. I love you. Bye.